Hello. A lot of people I know that do comedy have been kind of stuck indoors during the quarantine. And then if we're not stuck indoors, we can't perform in public spaces due to safety regulations. And I know a lot of people have been writing stuff and not performing it. I have written some new jokes during this time, and I'm going to attempt those now. This segment is called New Jokes. I work in customer service, and in customer service I deal with a lot of people's email addresses. In my time in this profession, I have realized many things that are not completely factual, and one thing that is definitely factual. If your email address has some derivative of the word mom or dad as a prefix, followed by a sport or team, followed by your child's birth year, you will most likely be very, very rude to me. SoccerMom271879@juno.com was not only rude, but very hurtful when I spoke with her. However, Bong Mama 6942069 LAWLZ at outlook.com was just delightful. It's a fact. If you spell a word that ends in LLS with WLZ, we will be able to talk forever. I wish I had an I or an O in my name, so I could just add a heart casually when I'm signing documents. Like, bam, who's a heartbreaker? I am. I don't consume alcohol unless it's beer-battered fish. I don't know who needs to hear this. I don't. I don't know who needs to hear this. My final joke is not a joke. This is just a pleasant story, because there's not a lot of those lately. A good friend of mine was at the movies last year around December, and as the trailer started, there was two people who came in late and sat down next to where she was sitting. And when the trailers were over, there was 4 of them, all detailing all the wonderful films that will be coming out this year in 2020. One of the gentlemen leaned over to the other one and said the following: "You know, Scott, it's going to be a really good season for movies." Sometimes when I am feeling down about everything that's going on, I'll think of that and smile. Because those two guys at that time were having a great time. And I think we all look forward to being able to do that again. Thank you. My name's Derek Lee Feltner.